You're sitting on a beach, sipping your favorite drink, your phone buzzes. It's not a bill, not a boss, but a notification that your investments just earned you a day's salary. This isn't a fantasy, it's financial freedom, and in today's video, I'll show you how to get there. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel where we break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable steps. If you want to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck grind and build wealth that works for you, you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering the 4 golden rules of money. Rules so powerful, they can transform your financial life forever. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to take control of your money, build financial confidence, and unlock your financial freedom. Oh, and by the way, all this information is completely free. No courses, no webinars. Just hit that like button and subscribe to support the channel. Let's dive in. Most people think there's a scarcity of money in the world, but here's the truth. Money isn't scarce, knowledge is. Let me introduce you to 2 terms you must understand. Financial freedom, when your money works for you and you no longer rely on a job you hate. Financial confidence, when you have the skills and mindset to generate money, no matter your circumstances. Peter, for example, gets his $1,700 paycheck. Instead of saving or investing, he splurges on barbecues and Netflix subscriptions. A month later, he's broke and waiting for the next paycheck. Sound familiar? But here's the kicker. Anyone can escape this trap. The key? Education. The financially free aren't born lucky. They're made through smart decisions and the right knowledge. Act 2, the 4 golden rules of money. Let's break it down into 4 actionable rules. Rule 1, don't invest in what you don't understand. Investing is the gateway to wealth, but jumping into things you don't understand is like driving blindfolded. It's reckless and dangerous. Start small. Learn about stocks, real estate, or bonds. More importantly, invest in yourself. Whether it's courses, books, or coaching, your brain is your biggest money-making machine. Rule 2, debt is a tool, not a trap. Debt has a bad reputation, but not all debt is evil. Bad debt, credit cards you can't pay off. Good debt, loans to start a business or buy property that grows in value. Pro tip, treat debt like a weapon. In the right hands, it's powerful. In the wrong hands, it's deadly. Rule 3, think rich. Here's a myth you've been told. Live below your means. While saving is smart, it's not the way to wealth. Instead, gain skills that increase your earning potential. Invest in things that boost your confidence and open opportunities. Think like a rich person. Focus on growth, not deprivation. Rule 4, develop high-income skills. Assets are the key to financial independence. To acquire assets, you need skills. High-income skills like coding, copywriting, or sales are in demand and can generate money even without starting capital. Remember, your brain is your most valuable asset. Keep it sharp and always learning. Here's the harsh truth. 90% of people will never achieve financial independence. Why? Because they believe outdated myths like money is evil. Fear stepping out of their comfort zones. But you're here, watching this video, which means you're different. You're ready to take action, to educate yourself, and to rewrite your financial story. So, are you ready to stop being financially ignorant and start being financially confident? If yes, your journey begins now. Start with these 4 rules. Don't invest in what you don't understand. Use debt wisely. Think rich. Develop high-income skills. Remember, every successful person started where you are, unsure, curious, and ready to learn. Take that first step today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs this knowledge, and subscribe for more life-changing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay wealthy.